Hello everyone, how are you doing? Welcome to OxygEnglish. My name is Soufiane. I'm an English teacher at the Moroccan Public School and I'm so glad to teach you something very important today. Yes, very good. We're going to talk about verb to be in the past. Yes, before starting, I have got a very good surprise for you, so make sure you watch this video until the end. This guy here is called Hamid, and this guy here is called Peter. They are going to talk, so let's listen to their conversation.
Were you at home yesterday afternoon?
No, I was not. I was at the gym.
Was Adil with you?
No, he wasn't. He was with his brother. They were at the cinema.
Very good. So now, I have got a question for you. Where was Hamid yesterday? Very good. Hamid was at the gym. And now, I have a second question. Where was Adil yesterday? And with whom? Very good. Adil was at the cinema with his brother. Excellent. But hold on a minute. What is this? Good. It's verb to be. But we know that verb to be is I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, you are, and they are. But here, it's was. Well, what's this? Excellent! It's the past tense of verb to be. Yes. So, do you know the past tense of verb to be? Okay, let's say them together. I was. You were. He was. She was. It was. Very good. Let's complete. We are. No. We were. They were. And you were. Good job. Now, let's move to this exercise. Fill in the blanks using was or were. Number 1. Mary and Susan. Yesterday. Mary and Susan, are they plural or singular? Good, they are plural. Mary and Susan were yesterday. Number 2. The weather very hot last Saturday. The weather is singular. So, the weather was very hot last Saturday. Number 3. The students at the theater last summer. Yes, the students are plural. The students were at the theater last summer. Number 4. Betty in Germany last summer. Yes, Betty was in Germany last summer. 5. My brother and I at the football stadium on Saturday. Yes, my brother and I were at the football stadium on Saturday. Number 6. It called yesterday? Oh, this is a question. So we would say
Was it cold yesterday?
Well, this video has come to an end, but I have promised you at the beginning that we have a surprise. Well, this surprise is Kahoot!
On your mobile phone or laptop, go to kahoot.it. Then, enter the following PIN code. Then, write your nickname and join the game. Try to defeat the others. We will say who is the winner in our next video.